What can I say about it? Well, there's nothing else I can say, but just watch the video. It'll speak for itself. Hey, it's late at night, and I'm sorry I haven't cut my hair. I know I look like a mess. Tomorrow the gents are coming. And unfortunately, I can't be there when they fix the car because I'm gonna be at work. Because they couldn't come during the weekend to come help me with it. So they opted for during the week. But the problem, during the week I'm gonna be working and they can only come early in the morning. But it's fine, we came to a solution. They'll come in the morning. Hopefully my bro records. I just hope. I'm making this video in hopes that he records for you guys so that you guys can see the process of them plugging the dictator, getting everything. So I put the parts on the front seat. So everything is just waiting for Thabiso and Wizzy. And then yeah, hey man, hopefully this car runs. No, let's be positive. It's going to run. So I'm actually from work now. I thought I should pop by and check on the gents and how the build is going. And as I arrived, because I'm actually on lunch, as I arrived, they also just got here. So I'm excited. They're going to start now. But the only downside is that I'm gonna go back to work, and unfortunately there's not gonna be anyone to basically shoot content for how they basically gonna connect the dictator and how they're gonna get the car running. So probably the next time you see me, I'll probably just gonna be starting the car and testing it. Hey. So yeah, hey, the gents are here. Hey Brati, what's up? Eh? The hundred. I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, all right. Okay, guys. Yeah. So the gents are here. They're gonna start with their thing. Yeah, probably. Yeah. As I said, the next time you see me, I'm gonna be starting the car, testing it myself. Unfortunately, I don't have anyone to shoot content for me. Yeah. All my gents are busy. It's during the week after all. And yeah, Wizzy's here, Thabiso's here. They came with their bro, so I'm excited. Guys, I didn't do this in the last video, but I would tell you, so Wizzy, Nonkwash, they are specialists with BMW. So I think, yeah, no, I'll drop something on the description or something. Bye bye guys, bye bye ne. Let's hope it starts. And Kululex ne, sharp ne. Wizzy, hey Thabi. Yeah, sharp guys. I'm going now. Yeah, my lunchtime is over. Let's hope when I come back the car starts. Woo! I managed to sneak again from work just to see the progress. I've been speaking with my boss there. I was like, hey, please man, this is an experience for me, man. I can't wait for this car to start, so allow me to be there. Hey Hotman, inside. Yeah, you know man, I need to document. So yeah, I asked them if I can be here, you know, when they start the car. So they're still busy now. And yeah, this is where we are guys, That's the dictator there, they've connected it. Brati, it's going with. Ish. Right. I'm confident we're getting somewhere. Wizzy. Oh yeah, I also saw a laptop somewhere here. So yeah man, this is one of those Civics with the laptop on the passenger seat. excited. I'm excited. So now we just topped up with oil. Huh? Yeah, the car is jacked. The car is jacked. Okay, so they're saying that the jack must go down. All right. Come on. So we're running into a bit of a complication. The car's not starting. Thabiso and them suspect that it's the petrol pump. So they're trying to sort that out now. I'll just give you guys a view. Yeah. Whoever said building a car was easy was lying. So clearly now petrol pump is what's holding us back from getting this car started. But we'll see. So what they've done and basically doing, they've bridged the connection from the petrol pump straight to the front, and hopefully that's what gets it running. Hey, a lot is going on, eh? What is going on? Oh my goodness! Hey! Hey, Hinza! Hey! Oh! 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 Oh my God! Wizzy! Wizzy! Yeah, I'm not stressing, dog. I'm trusting in you, dog. Yes! Hey! Hey! Tell them why the car is off.
It's too loud.
It's too. So they complained. The estate complained. So hey, this car was too loud, guys. So they've been sending texts, and yeah, no. So we had to switch it off. I don't know. I'm gonna start it tomorrow because this car is loud. It's a 2.8. It's a 2.8 liter. Unfortunately, it is loud. As you guys saw that yesterday the car was starting, it was running. Now it's to play a puzzle piece now and assemble the whole front end together. From there, you test drive it. Long pipe. Why now you don't tell me, man? You don't focus it. Hey, cameraman. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys will notice that I managed to get someone to shoot for me. A young bro of mine. A problem. Prof, he has a sickness. He went to the doctor. I think they said he has the severe case of varsity and studies. So, as the doctor said, he must take some recess, then he'll be fine. But for now, what Maja? Maja.
Yalo.
Hey. He's a bit camera shy. That's why he's a cameraman. But yeah.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to save.
Why does it seem like you're struggling, Chief?
Chief. This thing is not a joke. They said I must have a BM again. Okay. The price of it.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
I feel like disconnecting this fan. It's really not giving me entry. I need to disconnect this one. Let me disconnect this one. I'm coming. Ended up not taking out the fan.
Give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
No.
Everybody in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
You know, I don't know.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that
no,
shit
I do
worsens.
know.
Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Right,
Everybody in the world blind.
we've managed with the pipes.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
I just need these clips to clip in the pipes to the radiator. And from there we can work on connecting the cradle to the car and then the bumper and everything else. So yeah, still a couple of more connections to do. But we're getting somewhere, We're definitely getting somewhere. That's the biggest part. Yeah.
You forgot one thing, mate. Let's dive into it.
What's it? Let's dive into it. That's what I was on it.
Too much.
You think we must speak in vernac? I like it when we want this thing to go abroad in Fana. We need them Americans to understand what we're saying.
Comment, hit the like, subscribe button, and comment down below whether you want us to speak vernacular. Is vernacular accurate?
It's vernacular.
Yes. But further ado,
Hey. We forgot under the we're gonna have to remove the cradle. Like I'm serious, we're gonna really have to remove the cradle. Shucks. Okay, it's fine. It's not like we bolted it on anyway.
So Mr. SSJ mods forgot to connect the power steerings and yeah, you did. So yeah. Yeah, please say, because I don't.
Oh, the power steering lines.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna screw the power steering lines. If I can get them screwed up, I know that I'm almost done. There's just a tad bit to go. We can get table ties and those other things at the garage or something. Yeah? What do you think?
Yeah, that works. That works.
Wrong size. Wrong size.
Can't find the hole, mate.
Ah, hey, yay! You think you're funny? You think you're funny? But so after many moons, back to the cradle again. Shucks. Hey, cameraman, just help me with this. Yeah, guys. By the time that he stops this, okay. Never mind. The benefit of having many hands. Maja, wait. Maja. Okay, under. This one goes under. Okay. And then check your thing. Mustn't scratch the fender. It's not scratching the fender. Check.
I'm checking it.
Scratch. Young up.
Where?
Next. Saying up.
Young up.
Next. Wait, where? The Tlokamato.
No. We got it. Okay. Puzzle piece. What goes where? Away, Maji, starting again. Maja.
Hello.
Why are you quiet?
I'm shooting.
You're getting somewhere, you know?
We're done. Project e36 on the way. So guys, yeah, it's my turn to talk.
Okay.
It's my turn to talk.
Sorry.
So we're about to put in that bumper, put it in right over there. Then it's been city time. Woo woo! Oh, now you can talk. Okay.
I'm done. You have already taken
Okay.
the words out of my mouth. Please. Lifetime. First headlight in, second headlight in. We're almost there. You see now? So my brother had to go do a job cut with the toolbox. So I'm literally finger tightening everything as tight as I can. Imagine. Guys like punishment, eh?
Yo.
I'm telling you. What can I say, man? Finger action. You cheer me?
Got it.
Man, are you fine?
Oh yeah, oh, all right. So yeah, guys, what we did basically today was put in the radiator, the bumper, and the lights, and yeah. So basically what we're about to do now is all right.
Are you touching me?
Yeah. What else will I be doing, man?
You're starting.
Man.
Hey. Okay, here we go. Yeah, let's go start the car.
Hey, man. How do you start the car?
Touch me. You're not choke, okay? Move forward. Touch me nicely.
Alright.
Touch me nicely.
I'm touching you nicely.
I'll get up joking. You're ready?
Yeah.
Hey, Maja. Hey, Maja. He forgot.
Oh, just jokes.
It's something. All right. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna go to the garage to go pump that tire, and then yeah, we'll see.
We are up and running. Pothole, okay, you know the pothole.
I think you are taking landscape.
Yeah, landscape way. E36 rebuilt 20%, 56% done. Yes.
Take a video for the YouTube.
Yeah, I'm taking it. Yeah, no, man. Yeah. King, is it going in?
What's up, guys? So the car is running, as you see. Just filled up the tire. All cylinders are firing well. That boy thinks he can take up on it. Let's show him who's boss.
So yeah.
Use what though? Unreal. It's unreal.
808